children. Hope you all are doing good. Myself Muthulakshmi, computer teacher from Atomic Energy Central School number 4, Rawatbata. During this lockdown period, you all are busy in distance learning classes. Yes. Also, I want to keep you all engaged in computer also. Today, we are going to discuss tables in HTML document. Already you are having the knowledge of creating a simple web page for presenting data in a formatting way. Now, additionally, we want to arrange our data in a systematic way. For that purpose, we are using the tables in our web page. Tables playing an important role in designing web page. In most of the websites, tables are used to present complex data in a more readable manner in the web page. We have used tables to create many of the web pages in our school website also. Maybe frequently you have visited our downloads page from our website. There, all the content are arranged in a table form. So, HTML table is used to arrange data in the form of cells. As you know, a cell is an intersection between a row and a column. Each cell is used to represent a data or a column for a data in the table. Now, let us see how to create a simple table in HTML. The table tag is used to insert a table in the web page. The general syntax for the table tag is table tag and close table tag. Here, some of the table related tags. So, table means it contains rows and columns. For creating a rows, we have to define TR, table row. Table row also an element. It is starting TR and close TR. It is used to define the table row. So, once the table row is created, that is a cell. That cell having two types of values, either a data or a heading for a cell. For define the heading for a cell, we can use the tag TH, table heading. By default, the table heading is displayed in the cell, center aligned and bold base. And other tag is table data. Using this, we can define a data in the cell. By default, the cell data is aligned in the left alignment. So these three tags are associated with the table tag. Now let us create a simple table using these table elements. See here, a table contains 2 rows and 3 columns. Now we'll write the HTML program to create a simple table. As usual, for writing your HTML program, you have to start opening your notepad and start writing the HTML structure of the program. HTML tag, head tag. Inside the head tag, you have to write the title and provide the title to your web page. After that, close the title tag and head tag. Now we are going to start the body of our web page. In the body of the web page, we are going to display this table. For starting of the table, we have to write the tag table. So now table we have started. Now next part, we have to create the table row. So here, for creating the table row, we have to use the element tr. So next you have to start tr, table row we have started, and then the table having 3 columns. The 3 columns are that maybe a data or a heading. But in this example table, the first row is the heading. So we have to use the table heading, th. Table heading. Then you have to start the first row and first column. First column is roll number, also the heading of the column, R number, and close the table heading. So first row, first column over. Now first row, second column, also heading. Then start the table heading. Then write the column heading name. Then close the table heading. Table heading, and first row last column is class. Then table heading, class. Then close the table heading. Now the first row got over. Then close the tr. Same way we have to start the second row. Once you are started a row, from left to right you have to complete. Now the second row is tr. The second row, first column, it is a data for this heading, column heading. So now td, for display the data, we have to use table data element. td, and value for the cell is 1, and close the table data. Then start the second row, second column, table data. Table data, the value for the cell is name of the student, and close the table data. Then second row last column is class. Table data. Then start the value 10k and close the table data. Now the second row also we have completed. Then close the table row /tr. Now both the rows are completed. Now table got over. So close the table. Close the table. Then close the body tag. And then close the HTML. Okay, the program got over. Now as usual, you have to save your file with the extension name .html or .htm. Now you can open your program in your computer by default browser. Now you can see this table in your web page. Okay, now the table we have displayed. Sometimes we want to provide the heading to your table. Heading, for example, this table can have a title student information. So you want to include the heading for this table. So there is another element associated with this table tag is caption. Caption you can include inside the table tag. So this, with the help of this tag, we can display the heading along with the table. So now After the table we can write caption and the caption of the table is student information, and close the caption. So this will display the caption to your table. By default the caption will be aligned in the center alignment. Okay children, the same way you can try another table having 3 columns: roll number or serial number, name of your friend and date of birth. You can make a simple table of 10 of your friends, name and date of birth. Thank you.